Yeah. Hi cutie pies, welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal and the name of my channel is called Keep Me Cute. And Keep Me Cute stands for Keep Me Confident, Unique, Trustworthy, and Elegant. Today I have a very fun hair tutorial with you guys where I take you through my washing process, to the retwisting process, to braiding my hair, and then taking down the braids. So it's very detailed and I hope that you guys love it. I did start my locks off 4 months ago with 2-strand twist. I don't know exactly how many I have, but when I counted when I first started, it was 188. So I believe that I have 188, but people think that I have more, so maybe I missed some. And I do have a lock journey up until this point. So I have a picture slideshow that shows my progress from when I was a loose natural to when I first put in the twist to how they look now. If you have any questions about my hair journey, please leave them in the comment section below. If you're interested in how I achieved my hair style for today, please keep watching. my YouTube channel?
I love it.
Do you believe that I'll get 100 subscribers?
Yes, I think you're gonna get 1 million subscribers.
Oh! Well...
Happy to call you my lady, you're special. Happy that you're my baby.